Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Introduction to Accounting, Part 15. This is creating the income statement and the statement of retained earnings. So when we do our income statement and statement of retained earnings, let's take a step back for a second. First thing we did, we recorded the transactions. Second thing we did is we went through and then created a trial balance. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our income statement. When we prepare an income statement, as you'll see right over here, we're going to say prepare an income statement. And what I didn't do is I didn't do this right. This is going to be for the year ended 12/31/22. Okay, so that's how we go through and prepare it. We prepare the statement of retained earnings for the year ended 12/31/22. This is going to become very, very important. We prepare a balance sheet as of 12/31/22. Remember, the balance sheet is a moment in time, whereas the income statement and statement of retained earnings reflect what we did for the year. So let's go over here and make our income statement. We're going to have YYZ income statement for the year ended 12/31/22. When we do an income statement, it is simply our revenues minus our expenses. Remember that when we prepare financial statements, we do not show debits or credits. We're going to have revenues. We're going to have consulting services revenue. Right over here was $250,000. So my total revenues are going to be $250,000. From that, I'm going to subtract my expenses. Less expenses, I have consulting services expense. This is going to be for $30,000. So my total expenses are going to be $30,000. So if I earn $250,000, my costs were $30,000. My net income is going to be $220,000. Now, next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to prepare my statement of retained earnings. And this is how much of the income am I keeping? When I do a statement of retained earnings, what do I start with? I'm going to start with my beginning retained earnings, which is going to be 0, right? For this question, it is 0. I'm going to add in my net income, or how much I earned. I'm then going to subtract my dividends. My dividends over here, what I gave back to the shareholders, was $13,000. So my ending retained earnings is going to be $207,000. So these are the next steps. I'm going to prepare the income statement, or how much did I earn during the period. I'm then going to show my statement of retained earnings, or how much of those earnings did I keep. This is going to be my beginning, which was 0, plus my net income minus any dividends paid out to my shareholders. This gives me my ending retained earnings. So that does it for this video. Hopefully this format works great. It's a little bit different, but my son has told me that, Dad, you've got to make faster videos. So that's what I'm trying to do, and make them, break them up. So right over here, thank you. Please leave questions below, and appreciate your liking and subscribing to the content. Have a great day.